don't need to be a superhero to fight pests and diseases. Here on The New Gardener, we show you how.
Hi, I'm Carl. Welcome to The New Gardener. This weekend is the summer solstice in the Northern Hemisphere, so therefore growing is at its fastest pace now, which also means that pests and diseases are also very active. This video will give you the tips and recommendations that we have found so far in terms of dealing with pests organically. I'm a big fan of organic growing. I consume everything that I grow, so I don't want to be putting any unnecessary chemicals in the food that I'm going to eat. So I hope you understand I'm very pro-organic, so all my recommendations here will be based around organic growing. Mother Nature was the first and probably the greatest gardener on this planet. In a perfect world, you'd let nature deal with it, because for every pest there is a predator for that pest out in nature. Pests and diseases actually do have a role to play in nature. However, sometimes that balance gets out of sync and the pests become more than what the predators can deal with. The first recommendation I'd have for any gardener is to get some of this. This is called, and I'll try my best, Bacillus Thuringiensis, better known as BT in gardener circles, and I'm sure I got that original pronunciation totally wrong, but we'll call it BT for now. This is a fantastic, it's a just teaspoon of this in 5 litres of water should be sufficient to be sprayed on all your leafy veg. And what it basically does, the caterpillars will eat it, get indigestion, and basically it kills them off humanely.
My next recommendation would be the YouTube channel Project Diaries. Lee provides very informative and clear to understand explanations on all things growing. The reason I've recommended this channel, it has some very good videos on explaining certain pest controls. He has a great video showing you how to make your own homemade organic insecticide. He also has a video covering making your own fungicide, how to deal with black spot on roses, and a really novel idea of how to create slug traps. Well worth the watch. I'm very conscious that I'm based in the Northern Hemisphere, so all my videos focus around the seasons that provides. For those in the Southern Hemisphere, there is a great YouTube channel called SelfSufficient Me. Mark provides great content using his own style of humorous presentation. He has a great video for 10 organic ways of controlling pests. Very informative, and it actually does apply to either hemisphere you're in, so it's well worth the watch regardless of where you're located in the world. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe and ping the bell so I can keep you updated. I've got plenty of interesting topics and some great interviews coming up that'll be well worth the watch. Thanks for watching The New Gardener, and let's unearth together.